Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see who visited your TikTok profile on the TikTok app. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to open our application and make sure that you are logged in your account. So basically now we need just to go to our profile and basically we will find this page or this menu. So here we can see the posts here, and at the bottom we can find the toolbar, and this is our navigation bar. And next to our navigation bar, there is this feeds icon or some steps icon. We click on the steps icon, and basically here we find the profile views. So profile views history will appear here, and of course you can only see who viewed your profile in the past 30 days, and only people who turned on profile view history will be shown. So basically we need just to have profile view history that will be on. So we can either activate it from here or we can just go to settings in privacy. We go to privacy and basically we can search for the view history, and here we can find profile view, and only people who are or who have already like enabled this profile view history that are going to be shown on your profile views for your own account. So basically all the people who visited your account on only the past 30 days will appear and will be shown on this list on this page. So basically, this is how you can activate or how to see the people who visited your uh, TikTok profile. Thank you for watching and see you next time.